Hello everyone, today I will show you how to output drawing from Tekla Structural Designer to AutoCAD. Click on the structure in the wall, click on the base the wall, yes, click on the drawing and general arrangement. Use the scale 100, 1/100, click OK. Yeah, read only. And this is the grid lines, and you can edit it in AutoCAD. Yes, for the scale 1/100 level is the best level. For the level 1, yeah, the same arrangement, click OK. Output drawing to AutoCAD. Frame, can output frame into AutoCAD. Yes. Frame 2E, the same, you have general arrangement, OK. (3D), click on the raster, right click, open member view. This is how you can show the member view with other member. Right click and save as screenshot. Now I save it on the T. You can save it for the view in the report or add in the section in the structural report. Come back to 3D and click on the slope 1, yes, drawing and general arrangement, OK. Okay, this is how you can output drawing from Tekla Structural Designer to AutoCAD. Thank you, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you. And for the foundation layout, can click and check for the foundation layout and click on the 3D, right click, click on generate drawing. Okay, yes, the reinforcement arrangement or reinforcement in the pad footing and the overall size of the pad footing. You can check the total weight is 352. Thank you for your watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you.